Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share keto for beginners on a budget, all kinds of tips, meal ideas and information to help if you're wanting to start keto or you're wanting more keto on a budget tips. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which has all the recipes I mentioned in the video and meal ideas and tips and hints and everything for starting keto on a budget. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know your keto on a budget tips, hacks, any other information, or any future video requests you have. So I've got a whole lot of food. I've just kind of raided my pantry and my fridge to just chat you through some of my favorite items that I kind of always have on hand, so it's all budget friendly. And we'll start over here with frozen berries. Instead of fresh berries, frozen berries can be a real lifesaver. This bag of frozen berries costs €2, but I've often found for €1.50 mixed berries instead, and that I can use in smoothies, make chia jam, loads of ways to enjoy berries by the handful. On keto you can have a small amount, and instead of buying fresh and it going off and having to throw it away, and it's so much more expensive, frozen is just so much better. And cheese, this Parmigiano Reggiano cheese I keep in the fridge. I think it's €1.88 for this whole bag, and it's just so good. Just check for any extra carbs or fillers when you're buying grated cheese, or you could just buy a block of cheese and grate it yourself, and keeping that on hand is pretty handy. And I love butter. I live in Ireland and the butter here is pretty amazing, so I've always got butter, a whole range of salted, unsalted butter in the fridge to use for cooking, to use in baked treats, and yeah, on top of pancakes or waffles. And cream cheese as well. This is their Aldi brand of cream cheese. I think again it was like 45 cents, so cheap, and I use that. I might pop it into a smoothie or have it with some on breakfast on the side. I'll make scrambled eggs and put a bit of cream cheese into it, make a cheesy sauce to have with some veggies or meat, and yeah, cream cheese comes in so handy, and it's low carb, high fat, just what you want. And for veggies, wherever you are in the world, whatever's in season will be pretty cheap. And at the moment mushrooms are cheap, and broccoli, this broccoli is as big as two of my hands. I've already started getting into it and it's still barely made a dent, and it was only 49 cents, so this will last absolute days. You can have a portion of veggies with pretty much every meal on keto, and I just love broccoli. We'll fry it up in some of the butter or some coconut oil, and this coconut oil is actually from Aldi as well. Just always have a look at Aldi. I love Aldi. And yeah, coconut oil I've been using heaps lately for frying and cooking, so coconut oil with my broccoli or mushrooms, so good. And just make sure you're getting heaps of salt, especially if you're new to keto. Your electrolytes are really important, so having salt, go and have a chat with your doctor or health practitioner to make sure you're taking the right supplements. But yes, having salt in meals just helps heaps. And for protein, I love tuna, my husband loves sardines. We've always got a couple of cans in the pantry of different options. Beef mince is also economically friendly. I love making egg roll in a bowl. You could get whole chicken or chicken pieces, depending what's cheapest where you are, and roast them or make soup or stew, casserole, loads of options. And I love finding bargains. I found this at a health food store here called Holland & Barrett for 80 cents because it's used by soon. And for snacks, some pumpkin seeds or cashews, and these are also Aldi again. I love our Aldi. 99 cents at Aldi for a bag of cashews. A handful of nuts as a snack is just perfect. It's budget friendly when you can find nuts on special, whether you get a small bag like this or just go somewhere like Costco and buy it in bulk. There's loads of options for getting nuts which are low carb in moderation. It's got good fiber in it, but if you eat the whole bag, you'll kind of blow out your carbs, but just keep it in moderation and you'll be good. And eggs, always budget friendly. I could enjoy eggs for every meal of every day. There's so many different ways, from scrambled to fried to, I've got a green shakshuka and even a pizza omelette recipe on our website, which I'll leave in the blog post down below. But there are just so many ways to have eggs that are budget friendly. And cream, I usually have all different kinds of creams in my fridge. This is fresh cream, but I've often got sour cream. You could also have double cream, whipping cream, any cream that you like, and just have it and make mushroom sauce. I might cook up some mushrooms and add some cream cheese. You could use it to make a broccoli casserole with the broccoli over here, some cream, a bit of sour cream, and some grated cheese. 4 ingredients, you've got a broccoli casserole. There's just so many options, but that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post, which has all of my budget tips for beginners, as well as recipes, meal ideas, and all of that. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.